Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today we are back with another wig install. So yeah, today we are installing this wig right here. This wig is from Luvme Hair. We'll have all the information right here on the screen and also my description box down below. Y'all know I be forgetting, okay? I be forgetting all the important details of the wigs and all that, and I don't want to say the wrong thing. So today we're installing this wig, and this is, I would consider this a bob because as y'all can see, it's not long at all. And the only reason why it looks this fluffy is because I did pluck this hair and I did bleach the knots and I did wash it. So after I was plucking it, you know, I had the comb through to get out the excess hair. So it looks a little crazy right now, but we're gonna situate that, okay? So we're doing another no baby hair install video, and I don't know, y'all, I've been loving the no baby hairs. I don't know what's going on with me, but no baby hairs have been a look lately, I'm not gonna lie. So we're back with another no baby hair wig install, and I just feel like it's been giving me like a more cleaner look. Like, don't get me wrong, y'all, I still love my baby hairs, but the no baby hair has just been hitting different. I don't know what it is. We're gonna define this hair, all that good stuff. So let's get started. So this is gonna be another glueless wig install. So I think I'm just gonna use my ebon. I think I'm gonna cut off, should I cut off this lace first before I do anything? Because I don't, sometimes it be getting in the way. So we're just gonna cut all this off. So yeah, like I said, I did bleach the knots on this wig and I did pluck it a little bit. I might need to pluck it a little more though. But for the most part, I did try and pluck it as much as I can. Alright y'all, so I thought I wanted to do a side part, but I think I'm just gonna do a middle part because I don't know, the middle part's been eating lately. I ain't gonna lie. So just gonna part this as best as I can in the middle. Hopefully this is in the middle. Why does this low-key look crooked, or is it just me? Like, why does this not look like it's in the middle? I'm going with my hot comb and make this as slick that I can get it to.